deals right now. So I figured that I'd take this week and investigate some other things and look into some stuff. And I'm glad I did because I'm pretty happy with what I found. So what I stumbled upon, I looked at a couple and I narrowed it down to two or three, and I ended up going with Tradeify. This sale right here, 50% off growth, means you're all in for 90 bucks. I looked at it has a 1250 uh, flagged stop loss, or the max loss you can lose, has a $2,000 end of day drawdown. Target profits $3,000, and there's zero activation fees. So I was really happy with that. That's pretty in line with what I was looking for. I would have probably just got another take profit, but I will not pay activation fees. I think it's a waste of money. I think it's them being greedy, and I just don't like how they keep pulling that and bringing it back and pulling that and bringing it back. So 50K account, it's ready to go. Like I said, it's last day of the month. I probably will trade. I think I'll do a few trades in the morning. I'm not going to get too aggressive. I just set everything up with Trade of Eight, made sure everything was working. I think one thing I will do is I'm going to leave. I won't do two screens with this account. I'm just going to trade everything on my uh, trading view that you can see here using the simple market metrics. And then what I will do when I'm finished for the day, I'm going to log into Trade of Eight. I'll shut this off. I'll log into Trade of Eight. I'll close all my trades on the Trade of Eight function. Make sure there's no pending trades on any of the three screens that I look at, and then I'll shut everything down for the day. So we should be golden. I don't ever want to lose an account that way again. That sucks. So, but yeah, Tradeify looked really good. I was really to look at some other things. This is a good deal. It goes till tomorrow. If you're looking for a count, these are pretty good deals right now. 50% off. I was pretty happy with that. So, yeah, let's give it a go. So market metrics are awesome, guys. I'm stacking up videos of the performance, and it's just winning after winning after winning. I show how I do it. I mean, I start out with looking at the 1 hour chart. I go down to the 5 minute chart, and I usually place my trades on the 2 minute chart. So depends on. I mean, if I'm swing trading, if I want to just do one trade and kind of hold it for a day, for the morning or whatever I'm trading. Especially if I see a dip right here, and we've been in a buy for we've been buying pretty hard on this pair for a day or two now. Been pretty steady. In fact, we're near the high for gold. It's amazing, $2,800. 2019 gold was down to like 1,900 bucks. So I wish I'd had some money and invested then, because you could have made some really good money on gold. Gold's been very consistent, and I don't think we're done yet, guys. I think with Trump in office, he's going to do some. He's got some big plans, and I think he's going to be aggressive, and it will help. It's going to put our economy into a bull market. The next 5, 10 years, we could see some of the best bull market we've ever seen. Some amazing things. So that's just my personal opinion, but yeah, I think that we're seeing the effects of that already. So, but yeah, I love the 2 minute for scalping. I'll usually scalp for like 10 pips. I'll set a stop loss on every trade. Even if a lot of times the stop loss is giant, and then I can see it's turn around on me quite a bit sooner. So I use the metrics to tell me when to stop. So, um, if I do take a loss, then I use the metrics to help me make up for that loss. And I've shown that in a few videos as well. So it's great, guys. I'm excited. It's going to be an exciting time. I'm excited to try this Tradify account. If you're looking, I will put a link to this. I'm not affiliate with these guys. I just barely signed up with them today. So I'll put a link in the notes. And I wish you guys the best of luck too. Let's get it. If you haven't got it yet, for 99 bucks, you can't beat it, man. This market simple market metrics is amazing. I'm excited about it. I really have some big goals with it. I'd love to get to the time. I want to build me a rig. So I've got 4 or 5 monitors. I want to maybe look into Replicanto so I can trade several accounts. I may do two or three and then shut those off and do two or three more using the metrics, and then just call it a day kind of thing, not link them all together. I don't know. I got some big plans. I want to do some cool things. I'd like to really make some good money with this, and I think this tool will help us. So reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer anything I can. Like I said, if you haven't got it, spend the 99 bucks. You will love it. I want get used to it. I'm not going to say it's perfect. You will have to take a loss here and there. The market's the market. The metrics is a tool. It's not a wizard. It's not an oracle, right? It's not. You're not going to win every single trade. You're not going to. It's not perfect, but what it does for me and how I like to use it, I think it brings a lot of clarity to the markets. Whereas if you're just trading naked candles or tons of indicators don't really help you. They're fancy dancy, but they don't really do much for you. And so I just like the indicators that I like. I just I don't know. I just like to use what's worked well for me. One of the reasons I haven't updated this to the newer version is I feel it's important to stare at the same screen and get used to that screen. And then when every time you turn the computer on, you're used to seeing what you know what you need to look for, right? That's important. If you're changing your screen and your setup all the time, how are you ever going to gain anything? And I can't tell you how many people I've known, and me included, when I first started trading, if something didn't work for me, I'd bag it and go to something else. And that's one of the worst things you can do. So this is awesome. I love it. The other videos I've watched, I mean, look at the videos on my channel. You can see multiple times of success. And on my channel, I've also got a certificate for passing a challenge. I've passed challenges before without it, but this made it a lot easier. I think this was a big key in how to do that. So if you're looking to do that, if you're looking to get funded, this would be a great company to go with. I've heard a lot of good things. I've talked to some other traders that I know. I looked at Trustpilot. I feel very confident what they're doing, and I'm excited to use them. But yeah, if you're looking to get funded, the Market Metrics is going to help you get there. It's going to help me get there, and this is the whole point of this channel. So I wish you well, guys. Get it, and let's see what happens.